We are smoking tonight, guys. We are officially Stoke City pack. 4 DMs. 3 centre-backs. A goalkeeper. A defensive striker. A 17-year-old. And a geezer who looks like he gets no sleep. I can't get no sleep. Do 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 do. Okay, cool. Slap the likes up. Make sure you're subbing. We're nearly on 110k. Cool. Oh, you're profiting. Oh, you're milking it. I bet you're buzzing. I bet Gabby Jesus is buzzing, mate. He's been paid 265 grand this week. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Time wasting in the first half. Time wasting in the first half, you know. Every single throw-in takes 30 seconds. And I actually timed the last free kick that we had. We won the free kick on the 94th minute, bang on 94 minutes. 55 seconds later, Declan Rice, as he was today. However, we'll get to him in a minute. 55 seconds later, whips a cross into the box from the free kick. And that scrub Zucchini Zinchenko, I'll get my words out in a minute. Zucchini Zinchenko was offside again for the third time. On a set piece. Ethan. In fact, let's go from back to front. Pause. Smash the likes up. Emergency meeting, you best believe we're there. And I'm absolutely knackered, by the way. This is my third watch along of the day. Oh my days. I actually sat there and watched a proper winger today, bawling out that you, man, have told me is a scrub because he doesn't get GA. Cool. Yeah. Well, guess what? Yeah, he did today, mate. He did today. Yeah, he did today. What was Trossard doing? Anyway, let's start with our goalkeeper. Let's start with our goalkeeper, lads and lasses. And unicorns, non-binary, of course. Non-binary unicorns. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, they're all so pretty. I fancy the team. Oh my God, they're so sexy. Yeah, goalkeeper. I've been telling you for 5-6 weeks now. This guy is getting way too cocky. His kicking was a joke today. Disgusting. Shocking. Abysmal. We should have lost this game, by the way. But the narrative from the people that are chatting shit, yeah, is robbed. Robbed. Arsenal robbed. We weren't robbed, mate. The only thing we've been robbed of is a proper manager. Anyway, David Raya, stinker. Absolute stinker. He was awful, and he has been for weeks. Let's go to left back. Oh, my days. The wild horse. Oh, Calafiori is fun to watch. He's like a wild horse with his long mane of hair flopping around. Yeah. Yeah, his long mane of hair flopping around, mate. Yeah, send that fucker back to Italy real quick. Please, 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 from now on. Yeah, and I know the club watch my content. Yeah, put Zinchenko at left back because it's quite clear that Kieran Tierney, my baller, by the way, Kieran Tierney, go back to Celtic, my G. Please go back to Celtic because you joined us. Yeah, you won us an FA Cup or helped win us an FA Cup. You've been absolutely took the piss out of ever since. Yeah, gone out to Sociedad, come back, mucked around again when we're playing centre backs at left back, right backs at left back, and so on and so forth. Yeah, when you're the best left back at the club. So please, please, please do go to Celtic because at the end of the season, you're doing armpits, mate. You're holding a title. This manager's failed again. I beg you, go Celtic, brother, please. But Calafiori, the Zucchini Zinchenko. Just say you fancy the guy. How many times do I have to say this? I told you from day one, this guy is not it, bruv. But no, you've got an agenda. Oh, you just do it for clicks. Yeah, cool. Hold that. Hold that, mate. Hold that. Good luck. You all jump on board a year or two later. Cool. Let's go right back. Thomas Partey, man of the match for Arsenal today. Yeah, and the bar is low. He ain't getting more than a 5. But we're playing our best midfielder at right back. Cool. To accommodate some scrubs in midfield. The centre-back pairing. Oh, dear. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh, dear, oh, dear. But it wasn't a penalty. Yes, it was. If you towed the ball past somebody in the penalty box and the keeper wipes your ankle out, yeah, or a defender clutches your ankle, yeah, or pushes you over, it's a penalty. Yeah, but Lee, I've seen, because Terry Flowers showed us, yeah, he'll do anything for fucking traction, bruv. Yeah, real talk. Real talk. It's a penalty. It's a mad penalty. It's a harsh penalty, but it's a penalty. Anywhere else on the pitch, that's a free kick, so why ain't it in the penalty box? Yeah, I'm not having it. And even if, let's assume it's not a penalty. What did we do after that? Oh, yeah, nothing. Okay, cool. So let's move on. Mikel Merino, send that geezer on the first flight back to Bilbao, get him an Uber straight to Sociedad. He obviously forgot the keys to unlock Martinelli. But yeah, anyway. Scrub. I told you he was a scrub. I told you Calafiori was a scrub. But you didn't want to listen. You were too busy playing toppest of top, tippity-top gooners. Is what it is. Oh, look how happy he is. Oh, he's happy that Arsenal dropped points. No, I've been telling you this for 5 years. And while you lot were playing toppest of tip-top, tippity-top gooners, yeah, lying through your teeth, blaming VAR, let me tell you a stat right now. Oh, Anthony Taylor. Well, Anthony Taylor sent off Kovacic in the cup final. Yeah, in 2020, the cup final this manager won. The only trophy he's won. There was no VAR in the game. Xhaka stamped on Kovacic's toe. He sent off Kovacic. They were both on a yellow card. He sent off Kovacic. It should have been Granit Xhaka getting sent off. Let's go back to 2017, the cup final I was actually attending. I was there in the ground. He sent off Victor Moses for a second yellow for diving. He is refereed over 14 years, 52 Arsenal games in all competitions. We've only lost 8 of them. Hold that. Stop chatting crap about referees. We were awful. Declan Rice. Decline Rice, bruv. Decline Rice. Oh, my days. Do you know what? Guy shouldn't have been on the pitch in the first place. Why? Because the manager, out of his own lips, out of his own mouth, said only yesterday, we have to manage his minutes. He's been playing with some niggles in the last few games. So why'd you start him then? Why'd you start him? Hold this manager to account for the words that he says. Yeah, this guy is a joker, mate, trying to prolong his career by playing up to the majority. Oh, it was never a penalty. I've never seen anything like it. It's unprecedented. Shut up. Yeah, these players are shit scared to do anything, mate, because you'll hook them. Jorginho, lucky he didn't get sent off. So if we're talking about refs, mate, he lashed out. Yeah, he lashed out. He should have been sent off. Yeah. But no one going to talk about that? No one going to talk about him trying to do a bicycle kick in our own penalty box? No? Okay, cool. We're not going to do that. Okay, fine. Fantastic. Trossard, dog shit. Gabby Jesus. Christmas Jesus is long gone, brother. This is Jesus. Yeah, 265 grand a week. But don't worry, I'm the problem, innit? Yeah. Sorry to break the bubble and burst your balloon, yeah, and piss on your chips. I say what I believe, mate, and I'm watching it with 4 eyes, mate. Yeah, I can see it, and I've seen it for time. If you don't want to play top as the tip-top gooners, that's up to you. Unfortunately, you're all finished by the end of this month. Ethan and Wary. There's a reason I never tweeted stinker and hooked, because you did have a stinker in the first half. However, that's because you were the only player on the pitch trying to do something. And you had no one to pass to, so you had to try and dribble past 2 or 3, and you lost the ball a few times. But well done to you, mate. Well done to you. Fantastic. The only reason that geezer got booked is because this manager has told this lot time waste on every set piece. And he got booked. And guess what? It's easy to hook off the 17-year-old. Oh, but he's got muscular injury. Mikel Arteta's told us. Yeah, Mikel Arteta told us that 29 was available today and he won. Yeah, Mikel Arteta also told us that Declan Rice, Declan Rice, yeah, was playing with niggles. So why did he start? The manager is a compulsive bullshitter, bruv. Bit like most of this fan base. Yeah, absolute disgrace. But don't worry. We move on. Bring on Newcastle. Yay. Bring on Newcastle. But the refs robbed. We were robbed. Shut up, man. The only thing we've been robbed of, yeah, is the last 5 years. 1,615 days without a trophy, and you man are talking about VAR and refs. Get in the bin, man. Do say in Ganoi. Betty Alamioda, io de puta por siempre, yeah? Piss off. Cronky out.